Now, every trader wants to succeed, but most traders ignore the lessons that the market teaches them. And it's not because that the market is impossible, no. It's because of the simple trading mistakes that you can avoid in order to become a professional trader. And in today's trading video, I'm going to teach you the top 5 trading lessons that can save your trading account and also make you a better trader step by step. And this will help you to know what to exactly focus on and trade like a consistently profitable trader. Now, lesson 1 is to understand that risk management is everything. You know, you could be having the best trading strategy, but without applying risk management, you will fail. Even the best trading strategy in the world will fail you if you're not applying risk management to it. And let me show you why. Now imagine you risk 10% of your account on just one single trade. If that trade goes against you, you will have actually lost 10% of your trading account. I want you to understand that when you hit a losing streak, that clearly means that a few losses can lead to your account being blown. If you take constant losses, that means that you will lose your trading account. The account will blow. Now let's compare that with risking 1% per trade. Even if you hit a losing streak, I want you to understand that you can be able to survive. You won't blow the account because you will have many chances to be able to appear in the market with a trading account and capital. Your account can recover the losses and you continue trading. I want you to understand that you should always use a stop loss and a take profit, because a stop loss protects your account from further losses and a take profit locks in the potential profits that you would have actually made. Now, I want you to understand that risk management can never be optional. It is literally the foundation of your trading success as a trader. Remember, protecting your account comes first and then profits come second. Now, many traders actually forget this and they end up doing what? They end up chasing profit and they end up losing money because they are chasing profit, or they are trying to double their account very fast. Now, traders, lesson number 2 that I want you to understand is that discipline literally beats emotion. Fear and greed are the silent killers of your trading. I always see traders panicking after a losing trade or trying to chase profit impulsively. Here, let me give you an example. You see a trade going against you, and instead of following your stop loss, you hold it hoping that it will reverse. And I want you to understand that that is fear controlling you. Or you see a winning trade, and instead of taking profit, you end up riding it too long and you end up losing that trade because the trade at some point it will reverse. The solution is simple. Follow your plan, manage your risk, and don't let emotions decide your trading. Discipline is what separates consistently profitable traders from unprofitable traders. Now, lesson 3 is trade what you see, not what you think. Many forex traders try to predict the market using hunches or even news, and that's a big mistake. I want you to understand that the market does not care about your predictions. Instead, I want you to look at the price action, let the charts guide your actions, let the forex charts guide your entries, your exits, your support and resistance levels, and candlestick patterns, because they will tell you what the market is doing right now. Now here's a chart example.
What we currently have here is we have structure pushing to the upside. You can clearly see that this is an uptrend market and the market is pushing literally up, right? So the moment you are able to spot this, the moment you're able to spot the directional bias like this, you will easily see that price is creating highs, price is creating lows, and in that process,
When price forms higher highs and higher lows, it is showing you how the market is moving, and you clearly know that this is an uptrend market and also this is a downtrend market, and you will be able to understand that you can make a decision which is not based off your emotions but based off what you are seeing. Following the charts keeps your trades objective and removes emotions from the equation. Now the fourth lesson I want you to understand, traders, is that patience is key in trading. I always see traders jumping on trades randomly that don't even meet their criteria, and this leads to losses piling up or even accounts blown. Now the lesson is to learn to wait for high probability setups, because the market doesn't run out of opportunities. Wait for your time. Wait for that setup that has been forming, that has been presenting itself to you for multiple times. And I want you to understand that when you miss a trade, you are better than someone who has forced a trade. I always want you to remember that sometimes doing nothing is the best trade that you can actually take. Patience allows you to trade with discipline and reduces emotional mistakes. Now, lesson number 5 is to learn to review your trades and learn from every single trade that you take. Whether it's profit, whether it's loss, learn from it. And in actual sense, losses teach you more than profits would ever teach you. Even the top traders, even the experienced traders have a trading journal. They journal down why they entered, how the market went, and what they feel in the process, and that emotions. And then they come out with a resolution of what they have learned from that trade. Reviewing your trades weekly helps you to avoid repeating mistakes and helps you to improve in decision making over time. Without this, you will keep making the same mistakes repetitively. You will keep making those errors and you will never grow as a trader. Now, to recap the 5 trading lessons, we have seen that number 1 was risk management is everything. Discipline beats emotions. Trade what you see, not what you think. And then number 4 was patience is key. Then also review your trades and learn from every single trade that you take. Now apply these lessons in your trading consistently and you will trade like a smart trader. You will trade smarter and you'll be able to protect your account, and that is why you will see growth as a trader, because the compounding is going to come in and you will grow steadily.
Now, I wanted to take this opportunity to be able to introduce you to our course and our mentorship. We have decided to start teaching people worldwide, but we are doing this as one-on-one class. So we are going to teach you through the basics of what is Forex trading. We are going to teach you from a beginner level up to when you understand the key foundations of trading and mastering how to trade like a pro. A pro trader knows when not to trade. A pro trader knows what pairs to trade. So we shall go through all those for you, and we shall help you become that big trader, that good professional trader that is disciplined, the trader that takes consistent trades that are based off the plan, that don't panic, that don't be taken by emotions. So that is what we're going to do, and we are doing this as a one-on-one worldwide. We shall teach one-on-one, and the course is going to go for a simple fee, a small fee that can be affordable, that you can take on a dinner date. And to be honest, if you really value education as a trader, if you are struggling as a trader, you need to get help from these professionals. We have been in the game for some good time. At least we have seen the lessons, we have blown the accounts, but we know that with time you guys can be able to do what, to be profitable and consistently. So that is why we are introducing to you the mentorship program, which is going to be one-on-one.